Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here 38 acres of lush green, beautiful ocean view land with 5,500 square feet, 5 bedroom, 5 bathroom house. It is located in Hope Bay, Portland, 10 minutes from the beach, the North Coast Highway, and the Swift River. This property offers the most breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea, the mountains, and the environs of Hope Bay. The house consists of multiple balconies, all offering amazing views. 5 ensuite bedrooms, fully equipped kitchen, spacious living and dining with an open concept design. Portland has stunning beaches, rivers, and lush vegetation, along with several popular tourist attractions such as Boston Jerk Center, Somerset Falls, Reach Falls, Blue Lagoon, and Frenchman's Cove Beach, all within close proximity. This property is ideal for housing development, ecotourism, farming, or a combination of all of the above. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The new asking price for this property is US 900,000 or Jamaican $141.2 million dollars. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.